Hey everyone, Pete here. So I've just connected with Ryan on Discord and suggested that I try out his drag race competition. So I thought, why not? Bit of sport. I'll enter in. Here's my first attempt at it. Go through the bit. I've just got an up-down compound cut flute, 6mm. Got it a bit hot on my last job, but it's in the machine. We'll give it a go. I don't know how well it will perform. I don't normally do this depth of cut on this machine, but I thought we'll give it a shot. It's all ready. It's all home, ready to go. I'll turn the dust extractor on. I've got a large industrial size dust extractor over there. So yeah, let's give it a go. Cool. So there we have it. How long did that take? 1 minute 48. I think it was a little bit longer because the last command takes a little bit more. Sorry about that. The dust extractor does as I was saying, the dust extractor cleans its bellows on the fine filter after you finish using it, and I forgot it goes both ways. But that was the first attempt. Probably should have left a bit and then do a clean up pass around the edge. I'll go get some verniers. Just got some verniers. Oh, somewhat went a bit deeper than I thought. And I think it was supposed to be 100mm. Wide was it? Oh, a little bit off. So yeah, there you have it. I might go and do another one.